Okay, we're going to make a little video on problem 623. It says, two of the park rangers also want to help restore the forest after the fire. They plant trees that have been bred to grow as follows. Unfortunately, we're missing our table. You'll see it has been listed as a comment here, so let's just copy and paste it right into this space here. Okay, so Ranger Ju's tree, at 2 years it's 8 feet tall, 4 years it's 11 feet tall, 6 years it's 14 feet tall. Ranger Torres tree, 2 years 6 feet tall, 4 years 9 feet tall, 6 years 12 feet tall. And it says to use LSRLs to find the equation of both Rangers' trees. Okay, so we need to write equations for both of their trees. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up a Desmos. And I will get, we'll get for Ranger Zhu, it's going to be 2, 8, 4, 11, 6, 14. So we're going to do a table for Ranger Zhu, which is 2, 8, 4, 11, 11, 11, and 6, 14. So these points represent the height of Ranger Zhu's tree. Now what we can do is we can get an LSRL for that. We just do Y1 toothpaste MX1 plus B, and we've got it. And so Y equals 1.5x plus 5. You see it's right there. It's given to you by the LSRL. So Ranger Zhu's tree is going to be Y equals 1.5x plus 5. Now we can do Ranger Torres tree. Ranger Torres tree is 2 years 6 feet, 4 years 9 feet, 6, 12. So 2, 6, 4, 9, 6, 12. We'll try that again. It's going to be 2, 6, 4, 9, 6, 12. And as you can see, it's Y equals 1.5x plus 3. So Ranger Torres tree will be Y equals 1.5x plus 3. Okay, so now we're going to graph both lines on the same set of axes from problem 21. In other words, we've got Ranger Torres, we've got Ranger Zhu, so I'm going to go back to getting Ranger Zhu back up here. This is Ranger Torres. I'm going to put up Ranger Zhu again, so that's going to be Y equals 1.5x plus 5, because that's Ranger Zhu. And then we're going to add in the two from 621, which were Y equals 1.5x plus 3 for Charles, Y equals 1.5x plus 3 for Charles. And what you see is that Charles has exactly the same as Ranger Torres. See how those are the same? And the other one was, I believe her name was Amy. Is that right? Yep, Amy. Amy's tree was Y equals 1.75x plus 0. Okay, so Amy's is the blue. Charles is the red. Charles and Ranger Torres are the same, and Ranger Zhu is up here. His is the tallest. Okay, so the questions. When will Ranger Zhu's tree be the same height as Charles's tree? So Ranger Zhu's is the black and Charles's is here. And we can scroll out, but it's never going to be the same. It's always, Ranger Zhu's will always be above Charles. So never, Ranger Zhu's will always be taller. Ranger Zhu's will always be taller. And then when will Ranger Torres' tree be the same height as Charles' tree? As we notice, Ranger Torres and Charles are exactly the same. They'll always be the same height. And that will be it for that problem. So that's it. Check in for the next one.